A train travels at 265 kilometers per hour for 2 hours and 38 minutes. Calculate the distance travelled by the train. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now if we make this little triangle, speed is distance divided by time, therefore distance is speed times time. So distance is equal to speed times time, which is equal to 265 times 2 hours and 38 minutes. We've got a mixture here of hours and minutes, so we need to change that all into hours. So 38 minutes is 38 out of 60 hours, which is equal to 0.63333. So it's going to be equal to 265 times 2.6333, which is equal to 187.83 kilometers, which is equal to 168 kilometers. So the tricky thing with this question is here, changing this all into hours.